Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting review of a compact yet powerful Class D amplifier, the Fosi Audio V3 stereo amplifier. If you are in the market for a small but high performance amplifier, this one might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around till the end, and if you are interested, you can find the buying link in description. So, why should you consider a Class D amplifier over other types? The answer is efficiency. Class D amplifiers can operate at much higher efficiencies compared to the traditional linear amplifiers, which means less heat, less energy wasted, and more power output. This makes them ideal for compact, portable, and battery-powered devices. If you are looking for an amplifier that won't overheat while delivering great sound, a Class D amplifier is a solid choice. Now, let's get into what makes this amplifier so powerful. The Fosi Audio's V3 is built around the TPA3255 chipset, which is also used in Fosi Audio's ZA3 and IMA Audio's A07 Class D amplifiers, both of which we have reviewed before. This chipset is 90% efficient at 4 ohms, meaning more power and less heat. According to the official data sheets, it can deliver up to 315 watts in stereo and up to 600 watts in mono. However, keep in mind that achieving these power levels requires a proper power supply and speaker load. It supports a wide range of voltage from 18 volt to 53.5 volt. That's DC voltage. The amplifier features analog audio inputs for better sound fidelity. The total harmonic distortion THD is extremely low at just 0.006%, ensuring a clean audio reproduction. The built-in self-protection mechanism guards against under voltage, over temperature, clipping, and short circuits. If any of these issues arise, the amplifier will automatically shut down and requires a restart, helping to extend the lifespan of both the amplifier and your speakers. Let's open up the box and see what we get with the Fosi Audio V3. The packaging follows a standard Class D amplifier design. Right on the box you will see the Fosi branding and their motto, Hi-Fi Made Fun. The side of the box highlights the 30 days return policy, 18 months warranty, and lifetime technical support. Inside the box you will find the user manual, a power adapter which is rated at 48 volt 5 ampere, which is not Fosi branded. That's okay. Now we have an AC cable, and finally the amplifier itself. Let's go over the technical specs of this Fosi Audio V3. This is a pure stereo amplifier, not bridgeable to mono. No built-in tone board, meaning it delivers a flat audio. If you need tone control, you will have to use external mixer or tone board. And as I have already said, the input is RCA, left-right stereo input. And we have already discussed that the chipset is TPA3255 Class D amplifier chipset. Talking about the output power, we can refer to the power chart provided in the user manual. With the included power adapter, we can expect around 200 watts per channel at 4 ohms, and the frequency response is around 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The input voltage ranges from minimum 24 volt to maximum 48 volt, and also the terminal impedance is 2 to 8 ohms. It also uses Japanese NCC, ELNA, and German Weimar capacitors for better durability and performance. It also features the Japanese Sumida inductors, known for their high efficiency. The NE5532 op-amps are swappable and upgradable for those who want an even and better audio experiences. Now let's take a look at the design and build quality of this Fosi Audio V3. The amplifier is housed in a matte black aluminum casing, giving it a premium look and feel. It's very compact, lightweight, weighing around half a kilogram. Perfect for desktop setup, gaming stations, and studio use, thanks to its sleek, minimalist design. Despite its small footprint, it delivers serious power. Coming to the front panel, it features a Fosi Audio branding, a power indicator, and a single volume control knob, which also acts as a power switch. On the top panel, it includes a dot-shaped ventilation holes for proper cooling. On the back panel, we get a high-quality stereo RCA line input, a 3.5mm audio pre-output useful for connecting headphones, additional power amplifiers, or power subwoofers. It has a premium banana socket speaker connectors and DC power adapter socket. On the bottom panel, we get rubber bushes to provide grip and reduce vibrations. Now let's put the Fosi Audio's V3 to the test. Make sure you're using a headphone for better experience. So, is the Fosi Audio V3 worth buying? Here is my final take. For this price, it's a solid option. It delivers impressive audio quality. Its compact and minimalistic design makes it easy to place anywhere. It's well built with high quality components. But it lacks a tone control section, which some users might miss, but this likely help to keep the cost down. I won't say it's the best amplifier out there, but it's definitely a strong contender in this price range. If you are interested, check out the buying link in description. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to stay updated with more reviews. See you in the next video.